Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 35 video trading course all included. So anyways, on the Aussie dollar, I mean, definitely been pushing down very hard. Still don't have an engulfer candle to the downside. I mean, I definitely will be the first to admit that this does look like 1, 2, 3 waves up, and it might now be going down, maybe even taking out these lows, but we're going to have to wait and see. Going down to the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, very, very strong push down, but it still definitely has not taken out any structure. The trend on the monthly and on the weekly, in my eyes, is still up, which tells me that there still is a possibility that it could bounce from a fib level and keep on going up. Luckily, we're looking for shorts on sort of time frames right now, so if it does just keep on going down, it definitely isn't going to affect me in any negative way. Going down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, it's been going down for a few weeks now. It's definitely still no break of structure. Ever since we broke structure to the downside several weeks ago, we definitely have been looking for shorts. And until we actually do get a break to the upside, I would continue to look for shorts. Now, the next break that we do get actually could end up being probably very likely a correction to this last move down. I would call this move down either an A or a 1. I think the next move up would probably be either B or 2. Then we should go down for either a 3, which a 3 would just keep on going, or a wave C, which a wave C would bounce from a fib level and just keep on trending up. So, keeping that in mind because it's a very, very important. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, it definitely does look like it is pretty much ready to go. I mean, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves for sure. 5 waves of A or 5 waves of 1. As of right now, it doesn't matter to me whether it's an A or a 1 because the trading strategy is exactly the same for an A or 1. Trading strategy is exactly the same for a B or a 2. When it finally does break, starts it to the upside, that's when we'll know that we're likely in a correction to this move down, either a wave B or a wave 2. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it definitely looks like it is accumulating to break to the upside possibly. You know, it definitely has been sideways for many days now. Seems like we're accumulating for a possible breakout to the upside, proving that the wave A or 1 is complete. For me personally, I still would like to wait for a break of structure to the upside because I am a swing trader and I do like to play it on the safe side. And I do know that if it does break to the upside, then there's no problem because I'll be able to get long at the end of the wave B or most likely the A. The B, I can go long and then trade the wave C to the upside, which it should be either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.